Alright people, welcome back in my channel. My channel is Aceh YAITU. Right, this afternoon I would like to describe for all of people around the world. Today, this is we call about lhokme beach or lhok pantai, or this is very called about pasir putih. Today, Indonesia hit by coronavirus, but Aceh, you know what? We can't hit by coronavirus. Can you imagine that? Almost 2,000, almost 5,000 people visit here. Just they swim here. They invite their family, their family, their sister, the neighbor. We see we call about it's still big day or celebrating Idul Fitri here, but we can't understanding why Chinese people doesn't afraid. Those people don't afraid about hit coronavirus. Today we call about this lhokme or pasir putih. This is the most beautiful place in Aceh. We call about this this water very beautiful, pure and very clean. And then not only not only teenager but also men and women visit every single day, every single night. Every people visit here just just enjoying their family and then just enjoying about their they invite their neighbor and then their family, because this is very totally like from Ohio, what, from United States or United Kingdom, or very totally beautiful place. So I myself Bnda with YouTube channel. Today we would like to promote Aceh 5 countries: United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Africa. This is very totally awesome. This is very totally beautiful beach around the world. Can you imagine that? I myself, I couldn't imagine by myself every single day. And other people that don't hit or that are afraid with coronavirus, just because this is very unimaginable, because those people hit by coronavirus. So I have no idea why Chinese people doesn't Chinese people they're afraid about like coronavirus. Indonesia hit by coronavirus. Aceh doesn't hit coronavirus. I myself today as to promote Aceh 5 countries exactly, but can you see by yourself? Unpredictable. A lot of people visit here. They talking about coronavirus. We talk about coronavirus exactly, but this is the most beautiful places in Aceh. We call about lhokme or pasir putih. This is very truly awesome. I can imagine that this is every single day, not only from Monday, Sunday, or Tuesday, or Wednesday, or Friday, that, but also every Monday, every Sunday, every Saturday. A lot of people visit it. Not only that, but also this is live about the trees here. We call about trees here can live with the salt water here. This is very totally awesome. What? Not only for teenager or a man or women, what? Those people invite their family. That's because invite their family, just enjoying the holiday trip or the weekend, the weekend with their family. This is very totally awesome. So one more time, if you wanted to visit Aceh or Indonesia, don't forget to call me. I myself as tourist guide. Today I'm going to promote Aceh 5 countries exactly from Australia, Europe, United States, United Kingdom, or Africa, Australia, Switzerland. This is very totally awesome. So don't afraid about the coronavirus in Aceh. Even though Indonesia hit by coronavirus, Aceh never hit by coronavirus, because very crowded people today, a lot of people today, very totally those people invite their family here. This is I can't imagine that. I can't believe that. This is very totally awesome. All right, one more time, don't forget like and subscribe to YouTube channel, because I'm going to promote Aceh 5 countries exactly. That I myself I do love for promoting about my province Aceh exactly. Indonesia is the most unforgettable my experience. What? It's very totally awesome, because not only women but also men visiting here. Yes, they're swimming here. Those people or their family they invited here. Very totally awesome. Right, tata from now.